So it's fantastic to be here today to launch the 3D Print Cup, and Cartridge Slave are really excited to be behind this emerging technology, and it's a great opportunity to get involved in 3D printing.
My name's Andrew Hickenbottom. I'm a freelance character modeller from London. I've got a big passion for pin-up characters, stylised characters, cartoony characters, anything that's got some sort of appeal to it, anything that's like quite cartoony and non-realistic. Well, for the winner, I mean, there's a lot of sameness in the 3D industry at the moment. I mean, everybody always does like orc monsters or barbarian women or robots. I like to look at original things. So the main thing I'm looking for is originality and also appeal. So if it's got an appealing design, if it's got an appealing silhouette, if it's nice and simplified but it's very expressive, if it's got a nice readable, simplistic but very interesting face, good proportions, good shapes, good combination of straights and curves, volumes, chunky parts, thin parts, flat parts, just interesting shapes, basically. Interesting shapes, interesting models, nice characters, lots of appeal, cute, sexy, appealing, just cool stuff, basically.
My name is Stella Chow. I'm an illustrator. I've been an illustrator and a designer for like the last 16 years. I'm basically looking for something that's quite original, but also commercial at the same time. Something that I might see in a toy shop, basically, you know, because that's the kind of things I like, you know. I mean, like, even as an adult, I still like looking at toys, and if it has that appeal, then definitely something that's like, you know, that has that appeal to me. That's something in a toy, something that's really badass, you know, something that is the important thing. It's got to blow me away, really, you know.
I'm Mike from the University of Central Lancashire, and my expertise in 3D printing really has come very much from a learn-on-the-job process. I've been looking for something that's quite innovative in the design and the use of the 3D print, really. I'd like to see some movable parts in there if they can do it. I'd like to see how people accept the terms of 3D printing and look away from the static modelled character that can be done in clay and look at something novel that can be done in a 3D print.
So I'm Sanderson. I'm a lecturer at Manchester School of Architecture. I think great architecture is a combination of structure and personality, and I think that happens in buildings is the same way that it might happen in a character. And I think the best buildings in the entire world are the buildings where you walk through them and you know exactly what the architect was feeling, and you know why the spaces were designed the way they were without knowing anything else about it. And I think the same could be said about a character. It's a personality that shines through without necessarily having the whole story or having to write the whole story out, if that makes sense.